able to run it. We don't want to always be running it from the command prompt, right? We don't want to be using the terminal to be running it. Imagine somebody who cannot use the terminal. Let's see how best we can be able to save this in a way so that we can be able to run the application easily, right? So, and you can see I have some problem with my Java, but that's why I said from the beginning that always make sure that your Java runtime is installed and then properly updated, okay? Okay, so let's go and then let's see how best. So the first thing you want to do is to open Notepad, right? You're on Windows, so you just type Notepad and then you click Run. So Notepad will open. So our Notepad is finally open. Now that it has taken it a billion years to open, so what we want to do is to save the note file inside the same directory we have extracted our files into earlier on, right? So what we want to do is to navigate back to the C drive. And here we are going to save this as a .bat file, right? So the extension is going to be .bat, right? So UMLET .bat, okay? Then instead of running that out commands every time, I just have a simple command over here. I told you this machine, I will use it to run a lot of stuff, so please spare me. There are a lot of things running. So all I need to do is to go and copy this command, echo off. Okay, then I'll paste it inside my notepad. Okay, echo is just a simple command we use to uh, open a new file and populate that file with everything that we want to populate that file with. Okay, that is just echo. That's the echo command. So now that I have this in my notepad, I'll save and then I'll just close, right? But look at this, we can still not open the file, right? So I'll go back into that my C folder. Go back into that my C folder. Then over here, what I want to do is to create a shortcut of this. What I want to do is to create a shortcut of our .bat file, right? So first, let's see if it will work. Okay, so what I want to do is to double click on this and let's see if it will open my application for me. Okay, so don't worry. So anytime you do that, it will launch command prompt and then now the application will open. So we can see this was what the instructor was using in class last time, right? So we can drag our staffs, whatever we want to do, right? So this is the design app that we want. Okay, we are not interested in that right now. What I will do is to close this. Okay, no, don't save any changes. Okay, so what I want to do is to create a shortcut. I want to open it like a desktop application. Okay, so I'll right click, then I'll look for create shortcut option. I'll go to more options. Now it has come to how to create shortcuts. And I'll copy that shortcut to the desktop. Okay, so this is my shortcut right here. Okay. This is my shortcut right here. So let me click and see if the application will open once again. So the application has opened successfully. Everything is running nicely. Good. So what I want to do is to change this icon. I don't like the picture the way it is, right? I want to change this icon, okay? So what I want to do is to get an ICO icon. You can't just do any image. You can't just use any image to change the icon over there, okay? You need .ico extension image to be able to change that icon. Luckily, I think I have an image over there like that. So what I'll do is to copy this to the desktop, right? Because I want to use that image. So what I have to do is to right click. I'll go to properties. In fact, we have already got the application right already. We don't need to do this, but I just want to customize my image like that, okay? So I'll go to change icon. It will give error. I'll click OK. Then new window open again. Then I'll browse to directory. And look for that image right there. Then I'll click OK. Apply. And I'll say OK. So I can now go and delete this. Okay. I'll sort by item type. And I have my UML over there, shortcuts. So when I open, again, my application, once again, successfully opened for me. Thank you for watching this video. What I will do is that I will upload, or I can share the link to how to get the application files downloaded on our page, or I can just upload it to Google Drive and then share with you guys.